All right, everybody, today is the day. After a 4-month hiatus, a 4-month closure, Volcano Bay has reopened to the public. We got our sunscreen on, we got a locker, we got the GoPro up. Let's go explore Volcano Bay. I am so very, very happy to be back. This is one of the most relaxing theme park experiences I've ever had. We're probably gonna get some food. We're gonna hit the lazy river. We're gonna hit the fearless river. But first, we have to say hello to the spirit of the volcano. Right here, under this little pathway, is where the volcanic god is. Very good.
Oh,
You're like standing on a water plunger thing.
Uh-oh.
what's that?
I'm about to get sprayed.
Oh yes, there is lots of water here in this cave. In fact, it is the source of all the magic water drops. Nothing like starting your day with some water close to
Absolutely.
right?
Thank you for the warm welcome.
Oh, you're very welcome, yes. All water, you're welcome here on this island. Have an amazing day, my friends.
You too. Got my waterproof casing cover on, and we're gonna dip on into the lazy winding river. This one is actually my favorite way to take in because it immediately pushes you under the volcano, and going under the volcano is a gorgeous, beautiful experience. Just look at this and tell me that it's not the most relaxing thing ever. There's stars, there's lights, there's lava, there's water. It is absolutely, positively gorgeous. What happened? Something about water stretching. This fit this morning. I'm thinking maybe I should just throw on a mask and get a Volcano Bay shirt. Hey, these are pretty cool. Sun protected too. Nice. They're running at $34.95. This is like heavy too. This is what you get for buying cheap shirts on Amazon. I love the design, like the Amityville, or not Amity Town from Jaws and everything. But this is what you get for buying cheap shirts, you know? Okay, so yeah, it looks like it's a pretty decent fit. Oh, it's still a little long, but not too bad. Really, really comfortable, so that's good. Now that that's all taken care of as well, I think we should keep the GoPro waterproof casing on. Go check out the Fearless River. First, we gotta get our life vests on. And now, we just let the river sort of carry us on. Like, for example, see what I'm saying? It gets kind of intense, not gonna lie. But the key here is to be fearless, just like the river itself. We are now headed under Krakatoa, the water coaster. Which in my humble opinion is the best ride here. The wait times are always super long, but like If you can get on it, just get on it. The Fearless River was as good as it always is. One of my favorite things here at Volcano Bay. I really think my top two here are probably the Fearless River, Krakatoa, and the food. Speaking of food, I haven't eaten anything all day, so. Food. So we're gonna stop over here at the Koala Reef. All right, so I got the Kohala burger. It's got pickles, pickled jalapenos, these crispy fried onions on there, some avocado. It definitely sounds interesting. All the food here at Volcano Bay has really impressed me, but this is something that I've never had before. That's a well-cooked burger. A lot of the stuff on it complements it pretty well. I feel like even the bun is like sweeter. It's good. Well guys, that'll about do it from reopening weekend of Volcano Bay. It sure is nice to be back. Go ahead and subscribe down below for weekly adventures. Ring that little bell icon for notifications on every single episode, and we'll see you next time.